Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Meilan Susanti Rivai. I am from class chemistry K. I will present my practicum result. Title: Alumina extraction from wood. Objective: study the extraction of metal oxide from wood and characteristic of compounds produced by filter. Literature review. Clay is one of the types of clay which is brownish white in color and has a relatively low hardness. Mineral materials such as sandwich and clay, the composition of the soil are important for various life on earth. Red mud in what's the material from the bauxite process in aluminum production globally. There experimental 70 million tons of red mud produced annually. The next experimental works came. Method 1. Start careful take 2-5 of colored red mud and place in 40 beaker glass. Add 15 milliliter of 2 KOH solution, stirring with a stirring rod for minutes. Spread the precipitate as filter paper, then transfer the filter and 50 beaker glass. Build red solution, adding 1 HCl to pH 8, helping the solution dehydrate with a temperature of 20 Celsius. Cool the solution to room temperature and spread the precipitate from wicking filter paper originally balance. Wick precipitate 10 for 60 grams. Method the next method 2. Start take 2-5 of calcined red soil that has been calcified and put in 50 milliliter beaker glass, then 15 milliliter of 1 HCl solution. Cover the beaker glass with a wash glass stirred and the solution with a magnet stirrer for minutes in the foam head. Spread the sediment filter paper, then transfer the filter to a 50 beaker glass. Use mist color solution filter, adding 5 milliliter and hot pH 3 soap inverse pH indicator. Spread the precipitate with filter paper. Wash the precipitate with distilled water until the pH of the water is neutral. Yellow pitch part finish. The next result and discourse. 1 result, treatment and result. Method 1. Take 2-5 of dirt mud that's been cleaned and pressed in a result form a solution of a result sample. Spread the sediment with filter paper. The result of filter color is clear color initial pH. Adding 2 HCl to pH 8. There is one check and the color of the solution pH 8. Heat the solution with precipitate is formed. Wash sediment with this water until the pH of the water is neutral. Washing natural solution pH neutral C7, constant weight 0.518, weight of clear filter paper 0.847. The weight of the filter paper contains the sample 1046. Method 2. Take 2-5 result form a solution if red salt sample. Cover the beaker with which glass result homogeneous sample. spread the sediment with filter paper. Result the sorting filter color is yellow. Spread the sediment with adding 2 KOH to pH. Result addition of ores abused KOH initial pH 1. Spirit the phosphate format when the filter result experiencing changing color to the orange pH 8. Spirit the format and was the part which displayed water until result clear neutral solution pH neutral 7 constant weak 0 5 3 week of clear filter paper 0 none 6 to 5. The next discussion. Aluminium is obtained from alumina ore, which are formed as bauxite mines containing the main content of aluminum oxide. Aluminium is an aperture metal that dissolves that in both acid and bases. Both its composition different oxide and bauxite and iron cause the use of different solvent for the separation of aluminium meat. In this experiment, Redmo was set the acceleration alumina in the sample. In the method 1 experiment, 2.5 grams of the calcium sample were then transferred in a beaker and added 15 ml of 2 KOH is for chemical activation so that in confine the process of the mold and remove impurity. The purpose of this stirring is for KOH to be completely dissolved in KOH and the clay, so that extraction runs optimal. After that, adding to HCl to pH 8, the addition of HCl lower pH again. This is in also part of chemical activation as an acid compost. The process of adding HCl causes the color of the parts. After that, Al2O3 6 HCl to Cl3 H2. After that, holding the solution at a temperature of 70 Celsius until a phosphate is formed. Heating the phosphate oven at temperature of 2 and constant weight. Then enter method 2. Some is the step on method 1, but the addition of solution and zinc to HCl as much as 15 as so in Figure 4. Stirring the solution with a stirring rod will help the solution will form a pitch bed. To filter the solution and transfer the filter to an illuminator. Sample filter is yellow. After adding the KOH, solution becomes an orange filter help filtering the pitch bed format the washing until the pH. The weight method 1 is 0.51 grams and the weight of constant method 2 is 0.83 grams. The weight of the phosphate obtained from method 1 is small than that method 2 because method 1 still contained a coating again on the basalt and 6 ml of 2 method because infinite of alumina in a portion the deep non-dissolved in the acid solvent. The next conclusion, when compared between method 1 and 2, it can be considered that the most efficient method for extraction alumina is method 2, which is acid efficient compared to the method with acid alkaline extraction because in impurity not dissolved in acid solvent. Okay, That's all I can see. Thank you so